Hello food fans, going to have breakfast, going to have at least one egg and about half of a potato, and the egg costs about 30 cents, the potato costs about 75 cents, so we're doing about half of 75 cents, we'll just say 40 cents for the potatoes and 30 cents for the egg. And we're going to have a secret dessert also, and it's going to be very good. And Spots the cat is in here in the kitchen helping out with every possible thing that he can do to improve the video. So let's get started. And we sliced the potatoes. We did not peel the potato. I did wash the potato. And this is about half of the big potato that cost 75 cents. And I'll just flip these over and let them fry a little bit before I put the egg in there. And we add the egg to the frying pan and turn out the heat as soon as I add it. And I'll let that cook. And do a flip-flop there for the egg. Next we add a couple of slices of toast. That's from the toaster. I did not fry that in the frying pan. This all looks good and it's hot from the stove. Be careful when you're around the stove. I'll flip the egg over, and I of course broke the yolk, which I usually do, not necessarily on purpose. But we've got some toast here. We're going to have an egg and potato sandwich because we're definitely fans of the good taste of fried eggs and fried potatoes. And I'll be having coffee today. I do drink about 1 cup of coffee per day. Not on a diet or anything, it's just I don't drink a lot of coffee. The egg on here and the egg yolk on there, and we'll save the other piece of toast for something else later on. And also I'm going to get a little bit of orange juice, not a whole lot, probably about 3 or 4 ounces of orange juice. Orange juice tastes good in the morning, and orange juice is quite expensive now. It's about $4 for 1 bottle, but it tastes good. Hopefully prices will come down, or else value of money will go up somehow. Orange juice going bye-bye. The orange juice is good tasting. Now let me fold this sandwich over, if possible, and have a bite. And we'll talk a little bit about movies. Somebody wanted to know, with Halloween coming, this is September 27th of 2024, and someone wanted to know about Halloween's coming up next month, and what are some of my favorite Halloween movies. Most of the scary movies I like are not specifically designed just for Halloween. They can be watched any day of the year, but they probably will be a great benefit, a great addition to your Halloween DVD watching or streaming movies or whatever. We'll start off with a movie. Most people probably don't know about this movie. It's called Diabolique, and I'm not sure how to spell it, but I think it ends in Q-U-E. Let me get some more food here. And coffee. Oh, don't worry, I'm not washing down the food. Fried potatoes are good, and I always leave the skin on. Diabolique is a French movie, and it's, I guess, often used with subtitles, but I'm not sure about that. You can watch the movie and turn down the sound and have a pretty good idea of what's going on. Simone Signoret, whatever, is a star. They wanted Alfred Hitchcock to direct it, but the note to Alfred Hitchcock arrived when he was away somewhere doing something else, and when he got back he contacted the people who were producing the movie, and they had already found someone else to direct it, but it would have been interesting to watch Alfred Hitchcock with Diabolique. It's a good movie to watch at Halloween. Next movie I will recommend, Invasion of the Body Snatchers, with Kevin McCarthy, I believe was the star's name. And it's another movie you can watch any night of the year. It'll be good, but it'll be especially good on Halloween. Got some good scary scenes in it here and there. Next, I'd recommend The Night Stalker with Darren McGavin. This sandwich is good. A little bit more orange juice. I recommend the 1956 version of Invasion of the Body Snatchers. Some other movies I just recommend: The Talented Mr. Ripley, made in 1999. There's no movie in the 21st century that I highly recommend for anyone. I'm sure there are some good movies made in the year 2000 or later, but I just haven't seen it. And if I think of a couple of more movies, I'll put the title on a text overlay. Food is good. Food is good. Food is good. Food is good. Now I'm going to have some eggs and potatoes. I'll save the toast for a little bit later. Spots is okay. And I hope the subscribers in the Florida area and Georgia and other heavily affected people in the path of Hurricane Helene, I hope you are safe and that everything works out well without too much incredible damage. Looks like a big storm. We need some new scary movies. By the way, one of the movies I will recommend is a movie called Scary Movie, comedy version of a Fright Night type of movie. The eggs, the last time I bought eggs, about 2 weeks ago, they cost about 30 cents each now. Could have bought half a dozen eggs for 30 cents back in 1953-54. $19.49, or correction, 1939. Could have bought a new car for $500. You'd probably like the movie Midnight Lace with Doris Day. It's a good scary movie. And now it's time for the secret dessert. Can you have dessert with breakfast? Yes, you can have jelly on toast. And it has an excellent flavor, very sweet, and spread it on the toast. Could also have pancakes, and they have pancakes now that are real easy to fix in a either toaster or a microwave oven. Microwave oven is the fastest way of fixing the pancakes now. They still make the old-fashioned pancake mix where you cook it in a skillet, and those pancakes are delicious. Now, for the toast and jelly, I feel fine, by the way. I walk slowly, but I feel fine. Thank you for stopping by today. Thank you for listening to my stories. And do watch some good scary movies. There's a lot of old movies that are scary. And I thank you for watching.